Hey everyone, Josh Diekman here with Land O'Lakes and talking to you today about our macaroni and cheese. Now, our macaroni and cheese is a 5-pound frozen pouch. Okay, we have 5 different SKUs of this mac and cheese ranging from different sodium levels, different fat content, and different types of pasta. We have whole grain and semolina. So whatever your needs are for mac and cheese, we got you covered for it. They come in 6 5-pound bags, like I mentioned, and this was our one product that does come frozen. So basically it's real simple to use. You thaw it out in the fridge overnight, and this is designed to heat up very well, whether it's in a steamer or boil in the bag. It can also be emptied and put on a stovetop if that's something you want to do. But if you want to serve it a little more non-traditionally or pre-portion ahead of time, there's easy ways to do that. And I'm just going to kind of show you that and show you a couple concepts today. And again, if anything you're interested in or see or want it done a little differently, again, reach out, we're happy to help. So the first thing I'm gonna do is talk about how this can be portioned up ahead of time. It can be scooped and portioned from cold. So you don't have to go through heating the process first and then cooling it down, then portioning it, then sending home. So things like if you're gonna send the product home or for the next day, it can be portioned, then frozen, and then sent home. So there's a lot of different options to that. So just real quick, what I have here is I have one of our mac and cheeses. And I thawed this out, so it's been thawed. It's still cold, but it's thawed. And I just kind of dumped it out just to make it easy portion. So here is 1 pouch of macaroni and cheese, okay? From here, real simple, real easy, from cold, it can just go into your container. This container here is a microwave safe container, and it can be put a lid on, send it home with the students if you'd like, and the students can heat it up in the microwave. Microwave instructions for this is 2 to 3 minutes on high, and it comes out perfectly. We do have labels and instructions for heating it up at home, so if you're interested in that, we have them both in English and in Spanish, so you can just slap a label on, send it home. Now, if you want to send this home for maybe a day or 2 down the road, this, just like I have here, can easily be covered and frozen, and then it can be sent home, thawed, and microwaved. So it works really well. If you are interested in these procedures and the specifics on how to do it and timeframes, again, reach out. We're happy to send you the labels and all the information you need for that. So this here has kind of been a game changer for a lot of districts that want to serve mac and cheese, but can't heat up pouches and put it on the well and serve it from there. So real simple. As you can see, that is really simple. So that's mac and cheese. But if you're still looking for something that's going to be a little more specialty mac and cheese, you know, if you will, there's mac and cheese, specialty mac and cheeses are so popular and students love them. So if you want to do something like that, but want to keep it within this procedure, it's just same. It's just as easy. So for example, I'm sure some of you have tried our All-American Cheeseburger Mac, and if you haven't, it's fantastic. But so a Cheeseburger Mac, what I have here, we simpled this down a little bit. I just have beef crumbles that are cooked with some onions. You can forego the onions if you want. If you just want to do beef crumbles, that works fine. You want to cook off your own beef, that's fine. Turkey, whatever you want to do. Sub whatever you want to do or whatever you have. So we're going to call this a Cheeseburger Mac. Again, I have a microwave safe container. And for the microwave safe container, I'm going to go ahead and add my scoop. Now I am adding 3 ounces, because 3 ounces of this mac and cheese equals 1 meat alternate and a half a grain. So I have my 1 meat alternate on my mac and cheese, just like this. And I'm going to be getting my second meat by just putting this right on top. Now, real simple. That's literally as simple as it can get. If you can put, it's no much labor than putting a hot dog on a bun, for example. So if you have the components, just mac and cheese, put it in. Now, what's fun about this is this all microwaves the same. So this can go in the microwave again, according to the instructions that we have the labels for, 2 to 3 minutes. It all heats up evenly and nice. Even from frozen, if this is all frozen together, thawed out and microwaved, it all blends in really nicely. And if you want, you can mix this up. You can mix it in ahead of time, portion it right from there too. So I could take this, put it in my container here, mix it all together, then scoop from there if I want. But this kind of adds a nice little flair to it. It adds a nice presentation to it. So that's All-American Mac. Now what I would do, if you can do it, get some souffle cups, put a couple of pickles in it and send it all home together. It could be really fun. Or you can also send the components home separately if that's something you'd like to do. So the next one here, just again, showing you real simple concepts with this. Again, we don't want to make this any more difficult than putting a hamburger patty on a bun and wrapping it and sending it out. This here is just another type of service. We have our vegetables here. I'm gonna be throwing, again, our 3 ounces of mac and cheese right on top there, making a fun little take-home dinner here. I'm gonna be getting our second meat alternate. Here, I just have some meatballs. Real easy. And we're just gonna top it with a little bit of barbecue sauce. And it's a barbecue meatball mac and cheese. Now, so this can be sent home, and this is an oven container. So the lid on top, very easy. These are very easy to find. Take it, get heating instructions for the oven. A student can take it home, student or parent can take it home, put it in the oven, heat it up, and it's ready to go. And you got a fresh, nice meal. And again, you've seen how simple it was. So very simple for that. The last one we're gonna do is been one of our best, I would say, tested one for students that want a little bit of extra flavor to it. And again, just like the rest of these, just as easy to do. I'm gonna get my mac and cheese here. 1 meat alternate there. You're gonna have some chicken just right on top. However much you need to get to that second meat alternate. And I have some buffalo sauce. So it's a buffalo chicken mac and cheese. And if I wanted to, I can get a side, like we have side pickles there. We can do a side of celery with this or something fun like that. But buffalo chicken mac and cheese, really simple. And depending on what you have, I mean, we can cross merchandise this. We can use buffalo sauce here and barbecue sauce there. We have a lot of different options when it comes to this. So if you're looking for an idea or some things to be able to send home that's just as easy as maybe a burger or a grab-and-go sandwich, this can really be it, because it can be served from, scooped up and portioned from the thawed state, heated up directly, or it could be frozen, then heated up later. So for sending home for multiple days or the next day, or sending it home for the following, it works fantastically for that. Another option, depending on your scenario, is that if you're interested in full pouches. I talked to a couple of districts that are interested in sending one of these home, right? Or sending something else like that home. If you are in a situation that, please reach out. We have some great casserole type recipes that parents can take this and make one big, nice mac and cheese casserole. If that's something you're interested in, again, we're happy to send you some information on that. Or if you have ingredients that you're trying to use up right now, or SKUs that you're trying to figure out ways to utilize them, mac and cheese is a great option, because you can put almost anything in mac and cheese and it's gonna be great. So think about ways to reduce SKUs and get some of the other products that might be a little slow moving right now. And this would be a great option for that. So again, the mac and cheese, we have 5 SKUs ranging from different sodium contents, different fat contents, whole grain pasta or semolina pasta. So whatever you're looking for, we got it. So thank you all again. I hope this might have given you some other ideas on how to use mac and cheese. And again, being able to serve it this way has opened up a lot of possibilities with our mac and cheese. So again, thank you very much.